Good morning, everyone. Thank you again for maintaining this public comment period. My name is Paul Richmond. I'm a resident of Jefferson County and a candidate for prosecutor. As I think we've discussed, and I think as Philip Morley will confirm, the majority of your budget is concerned with issues of law and justice. There have been some questions raised as to the amount of discretion that the prosecutor can exercise in terms of the charges that they bring and the cases that they bring. As you know, every time the prosecutor brings a case, you're obligated to pay all costs. And what you're hearing from the current office is that they are obligated to charge all cases. I'm giving to Mr. Morley, and I wish he'd distribute this, copies of the RCWs 13.40077 and RCW 9.94A, 9.411. The standard is a prosecuting attorney may decline to prosecute even though technically sufficient evidence to prosecute exists in situations where prosecution would serve no public purpose but would defeat the underlying purpose of the law in question or would result in decreased respect for the law. That's language that's so clear, I think even a child can understand it. There's discretion in the law. They don't have to charge every case. I've also attached to this page a copy of the American Bar Association's Criminal Justice Standards Discretion and Charging Decision. And again, it says, the prosecutor is not obliged to present all charges which the evidence might support. The prosecutor may, in some circumstances, and for good cause, consistent with the public interest, decline to prosecute, notwithstanding that sufficient evidence may exist which would support a conviction. I think that, again, is very clear language. I've attached also an article about Multnomah County in Oregon, headed by probably one of the most senior prosecutors in the Northwest, Michael Schrunk, someone who's been in there for decades. And he's talking about having to, because of budget cuts, having to make being forced to make choices. I think we have to start making those choices now. I again encourage this body to do an audit and to be aware of these laws, because I think you're being fed bad information and it's affecting all of your budget. Thank you.